What's up guys, I'm leaving the hair salon. I just got a quick wash and set and I'm gonna pick up some K18 hair products and I'm gonna test it out on my hair. I'm thinking of going darker in December, but I also still really want to go lighter, but my hair is not healthy enough, so I'll probably just wait less. Hi guys, so I just left the hair salon and I got a really cute little blowout really quick and my hair feels really good. The roots are more soft and shiny. So you guys, my ends are feeling a little bit dry, even though I did get a nice little wash and set. I just feel like the blonde has taken a big toll on my hair, which is why I did the root glaze and I'm gonna go darker. But I also miss being blonde, you guys, but this is fall appropriate, right, you guys? So I am going to get food with my sister and yeah, we'll see where the day takes me. I don't really know what I'm gonna do today, but I'm excited. So I know I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube lately or vlogging or anything, and I feel like I just need a reset, you know what I mean? Like I need a break. And when I come back, I'm gonna have really cool, really fun content, new adventures and things like that. So I'm just hoping that I can just like get back to my normal filming self, because I really miss filming. Like yesterday I posted a picture on Instagram and I would not have posted a picture, but I just felt like I miss social media. I miss posting content. I miss showing myself, my life, and just my passions. So hopefully we'll get back into that. And I don't know, life lately has just been like really hard. Like sometimes we go through like Mercury retrograde and like it affects people, but I feel like I've been going through that since my birthday month, which is September. It's now October and I'm still feeling like that. So I'm just trying to like rejuvenate my energy, get back to myself, and yeah, I don't know, you guys, I genuinely just want to be happy. I'm just saying like December, like really good things are going to come in December, and I'm manifesting every day and just like trying to work on my affirmations and my gratitude. But it's so hard when like all this energy is like really blocked and like just bad right now. So that's where I've been lately. That's why I've been so MIA on YouTube. And yeah, so I'm trying. I'm gonna keep filming though. I don't know if these videos are gonna come out, but I'll keep filming my life and maybe we'll make a quick little vlog montage out of all of it. Espresso martinis on there. Mimosa. You guys could have taken me here for my birthday. Where'd you do? Probably. Where's the girlfriend at? My mom. What they literally down like off our house. It's like apartments like right there. No, it's just okay. What's wrong with you? This will never make the vlog, but we're just gonna add it. obsessed with Nessa Barrett so much. Like, I literally love her. She's saving my life right now from all the seasonal depression and all like the negative shit that I feel right now. She's literally like a saint. I love her. Hi guys, so I thought I could end this vlog with a little haul. I've been picking some pieces up offline here and there for like fall and just pieces I want to add into my wardrobe. I haven't gone insane like I usually do, but yeah, so let me just show you what I got. So guys, the first place I ordered from is Urban Outfitters. You guys know I'm obsessed with Urban. They have the coolest little vintage Y2K vibes, but they also have really good things if you look for them. So let me show you what I got in here. I ordered this beanie and I thought it was just really cute and really like stylish, like New York style vibe, and also like it's gonna go really cute with my jacket. Look at you guys, it's so cute, so stunning. I remember having one of these hats before and I gave them to my brother, but this is like so stinking cute. I'm obsessed with this. Has a little taggy on the back and it's just so cute. I can't wait to put my makeup on this and just like destroy this. I'll probably show you at the end of me putting it on, but like I don't want to mess up my hair right now because yeah, but she's so cute. This was only one size, you guys. Obviously beanies are, I think this was only like maybe $40, $35 to $40. I'll probably write it on the screen somewhere, but it's really cute and I needed one for this season because none of my jackets have hoods, of course, so beanies it is. Okay guys, so the next place I ordered from is Zara, and I'm trying to hide like my shipping information and stuff, but it's like this little box. And I ordered this piece that I've literally been eyeing since way before my birthday, and I just haven't made the jump, and then I just finally purchased this and I'm so happy. I can't wait to wear her. So guys, when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. It has a little paper around it and then this little silver sticker, so we're gonna open that up. See what's in here? I'm so excited. Gorgeous, you guys. Look at her. If you guys know, you know what this is already, but I've been wanting this bad girl for like the longest time ever. It's just this little mini skirt. It's in this gray color. It's pretty pleated and it has this little buckle belt detail that I am obsessed with. And I got my true size. I got a small because I feel like I'm small, like it should fit me well. And it's just so cute. I can't wait to get some like fall booties, like knee-high booties, and just like rock them with this and like a jacket, and just like I have so many outfit ideas for this, and I've kind of been seeing people on TikTok buying this, picking her up and like styling her, so I'm excited to see what I do with my piece. I just really love this. It kind of gives like schoolgirl vibes or like Britney Spears vibes. I don't know, you guys, I'm just obsessed and I can't wait to wear her and style her a ton. Yeah, she's so cute. This skirt was $45.90, which I think isn't bad for skirts, especially because it's like a skirt and a skirt in one. So super happy I have this. Okay guys, the last thing that I have in this little unboxing haul is another piece from Zara. I obviously ordered these at separate times. I wanted this little thing for the longest time ever, but it kept saying coming soon on their app, but I'm sure they have it in store, but I don't have one like local to me and it's really far to get to, so I decided to just wait until it's like available online and then I placed an order. Every day I would go on Zara and I would type in the bag that I wanted and search it up and it would still say coming soon, and then one day I went back on the Zara app and it said add to cart, and I was just like screaming on the inside because this is a piece I feel like is so good. It just gives me really good fall vibes and I like brown, so again it's kind of hard to show you guys because the shipping label is there, but let's open her up. When you open it up, it looks like this again. It's kind of the same image as the last one, but I'm so excited to show you this. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Look at this bag, you guys. Like, this is giving vintage, like, I don't know, it's just slaying right now, and I'm obsessed with this bag. So it looks like this. It's this really like scrunch, like baguette bag, and it's this brown fox leather, but the way it looks is more like vintage vibes, and I just love the rust, and like it just looks like a used vintage leather jacket but in a bag form. I just thought this would be so cute to just like walk around in and just like put all my stuff in here, like my camera and everything like that, so I can't wait to start wearing her. Doesn't really have a smell. It kind of smells like old leather or something, but So let's open her up. It has this really cute buckle that snaps back and forth, which I am obsessed with already. Like the gold detailing with the brown vintage leather vibes. It's just so good. And then it has this little zipper part, so we're gonna open her. Of course, you guys know it comes with like the little stuffing for the bag. Keep it in shape, which is lovely. And then you open her up, and then it's this little wide open space. I feel like it's a good size to like stuff a ton of things in here, especially me. I just feel like I need my whole life in here and more. So it's a good size on the inside. I don't know if I can demonstrate how wide it is. And then it has this little like card holder here, which is amazing because I'm just like, so it's just like an open bag. Like there's no like little zipper pouch to put like money or like cards in, but luckily it has it stitched in on the inside as well, so you can put like your little cards, your ID in here, or whatever you need to put in here, just 4 cards. I have an Urban Outfitters card right now that I need to spend, but yeah, so I'm excited to wear this, and I can't wait to like take pictures and style this. I'm sure you guys have seen this in vlogs. I'm super excited that I have this, you guys. You know why I got this bag? On TikTok, of course. I saw like what's on my Zara wish list from someone on TikTok, and this was on their wish list, and I was like, that bag is really giving like vintage like Fendi bag vibes to me. I don't know why, but it really just gives that to me, and I'm just obsessed. She's gorgeous, and she's a fall staple I'm gonna keep all year round, and I love her. I love how like spacious and wide this bag is as well, because literally I've just been walking around with my Lululemon fanny pack bag, which is great size, but like I feel like I'm just like putting so much stuff in it now. I have no space, so I needed to get a new bag anyway, and then I was just like, I wanted something that's gonna go with all my outfits and my style, you know, my wardrobe, and I found that. So thank you TikTok for always showing me gems that I probably wouldn't find on my own. Yeah, it's a really cute structured bag, and I love the little handle here. It's so cute. And this bag was, this one actually doesn't say the price on it, I'm not sure, but I'm sure it was probably like maybe $50, maybe $60, which isn't bad for a bag like this. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end to this vlog. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I am back on YouTube, so I'm so excited for you guys to see all my cool content I've been working on. I still have been filming, I just haven't put it all together, and I finally sat down one day and I put it all together, and I'm like so excited again. And I've just been working on so much upcoming projects that I want to start for YouTube, and I just can't wait for you guys to see, and I hope you all love them as much as I love making them. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.